Yeah, if I can see it, the bite there, see me, before I sand it down and thing, see me, frame. See me, I'm going to move. You see it? I stay. I try to just get the sand there, see me, tool. So I front axle. Okay, axle and thing. So my rider, so my bicycle, see me, up on me. It's a killer, you see me, because I'm on a murderer. You see me? Stands with the clear new with that glistening, with that shine. You see me? Start shortly. Well, I kind of mass up, you see me? Because it's something I want to fight or fly off and things, you see it, so I have to mass up. You see me, I say? See there? A little brush thing, you see me? You have to use it. Chase it up and running. Alright. You see me? Good. Look more. See that? Yeah.